Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can short Bitcoin in Binance spot market. Okay, so you can actually short Bitcoin without liquidation. Okay, if you're playing futures, if you short a coin, there's a liquidation, but if you play in spot, there is no liquidation. Only there is management fee. If you see right here, if you go to trade and then you can click market, you can search for BTCDOWN. So BTCDOWN is the opposite of BTCs. If BTC go down, this BTCDOWN will go up. Okay, here's a fun fact. BTCDOWN has twice movement of BTC. So if BTC go down by, let's say, 7%, BTCDOWN will go up by 14%. Okay, if BTC go up by 10%, BTCDOWN will go down by 20%. So it has doubled. You can see here BTC go down by 7.9% and BTCDOWN go up by 17.37%. So it is a more almost double. So it's double, guys. It's more than double, in fact. Here in September, okay, let me show you history. So you can see here my history. I bought two BTCDOWN. One is around 0.028467. You can see here on my spreadsheet, I always write down how much coin I bought, at what price, my total investment. And then the next day, I buy another one again. You can see I bought another 500 at this price. This is how much the coin amount, and this is my average price. Right now, the price on BTCDOWN is 0.031450. And then if I go to my spot wallet, you can see my equity value is 1164. Okay, my total investment is, let me sum this up. My total investment is this much. Okay, $1012. We make 1164, so that's a net profit of 152. I can sell it right now. I can just press on redeem and click on max, confirm. Here you can redeem it. You click on max and click on confirm. But unfortunately, I cannot redeem it because you can see I exit total 24-hour redemption in USDT. So unfortunately, I cannot redeem everything. Let me try redeem half of it. 37077. Let's divide by 2 is 18. Let's try redeem half of it. 18538.85. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, still cannot. Let's divide by 3. 12359. Okay, so this is okay. I still cannot do it because I exit my redemption. Because yesterday I just redeem money from dual investment. So this is one thing that is disadvantage. Although we don't have liquidation, we sometimes cannot redeem it if we play with other investment like dual investment in earn and etc. So keep that in mind, guys. Okay, maybe I will just wait tomorrow and I will update it to you later.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so we are able to redeem it. You can see here $749 plus $429. Let's calculate it. How much is this? 429 plus 749. So minus our initial investment was 1012. So the profit is around $166 shorting Bitcoin inside a spot market. Okay guys, you can just go to your trade, and if you believe BTC is going to go down, you can buy some BTCDOWN. Okay, when BTC go down, BTC down go up. When BTC go up, BTC down go down. Okay, so this just to prove to you, you can do this. Okay, you can see here the history. And you also can do averaging, guys. It's like so beautiful. I mean, there is no better way to make money. You can even hedge. Okay, you can use a technique called hedging. You can buy BTC and buy BTC down at the same time. So you sell whichever that makes the profit. Okay, it's up to you. You make your own judgment whether you want to take profit at 1%, 2%, 3%. And if you read the chart, you make your own decision when you're going to take profit. Okay, just buy and sell. That's all it is. You buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And I think it's easy, right? It's not hard, as long as you have clear strategy and you use that strategy. I already show you the tutorial on this channel, a lot of them. You can implement it with your own strategy, and yeah, hopefully you make money, guys. If so, you can treat me a coffee if you want to, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, and I will see you on the next one.